Alright, you welcome back to FRTN Worldwide News Entertainment. Alright, kindly subscribe on our YouTube channel for more information. Alright, there's a news in details and Chiwentalo Agus released the public domain of IPOP, the attributes for a ballot. Alright, what we try to bring out on this news right now, Nollywood actor Chiwetalo Agu has been released from the army custody a day after he was arrested for putting on an outfit with semblance to the Biafra flag. This was made known by a video posted by the Nollywood actor Emeka Ike on his Instagram page on Tuesdays. The arrest of Chiwentalo Agu sparked mixed reaction from Nigerians, while some believe that the mere handing of the Chiwentalo Agu was a human rights violation and others open that he created trouble where there is none by the violation national laws. Alright, however, the veteran actors explained in details everything that transpired yesterday. The Nigerian army might have been released Chiwetalo Agu based on what he told them while in their custody. We will take a lot of art through things he did to properly lead to his release. Alright, number one, he denied having anything to do with IPOP. Alright, Chiwentalo Agu made his claim that his outfits had nothing to do with agitation of Biafra, that the picture embedded on his outfit only dispatched of raising sun, that is was not seen demonstrating. He publicly denounced the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra IPOP group as his demand had been a factor that led this release. Alright, number two, he said he was wholly helping the less privileged. Chiwentalo Agu explained to Nigeria Army during this interrogation that he wholly wants to buy bread which he would share with his less privileged before he was arrested. He believed that the Nigerian Army misunderstanding his outfit and that is why he was arrested him. Alright, what we're trying to break out on this news right now is that the popular actress, the actress of Chiwentalo Agu sparked mixed reaction from Nigeria, why did some believe that her being made handing of Chiwentalo Agu was a human rights violation. Others opened that he created trouble where he was honored by the violation national law. However, the veteran actor explained in details everything that transpired yesterday. The Nigerian Army may have been released Chiwentalo Agu based on what he told them while in the custody. We will take a lot of art the things he did, the properly and lead of the release. Thank to be with us. Goodbye for now.